is Alec and I work at Capistrano Mazda.
Hey guys, my name is Alec. I'm a service advisor here at Capistrano Mazda, and today we're going to go over one of the most commonly asked questions. How do I check my tire pressure?
I just felt a whole bunch of sugar go down the throat.
So just open up your door here. Almost every single Mazda, it'll have the correct tire information displayed on the driver's side front door sill. Now we're going to go ahead and check the tire pressure. This tire is specifically supposed to be at 35 psi. Oh, would you look at that? It's at 34.5, which it really isn't because it's at 34.3 now. So I'm gonna have to add 0.7 more pounds of air into it. Again, this is Alec over at Capistrano Mazda. If you have any other questions about your vehicle, just go ahead and give us a call at 949-218-2445. Bye.